Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to settings. Here on this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you'll enter to the window of Netflix and you will enter. Then this list of app info you will click on first up and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.